everyone, and welcome to Cook to Flourish. This is Robin Cook, and I wanted to share with you some inspiring ways that you can create some wellness baskets for the Christmas and New Year season. So these products that I'm going to be mentioning here are all available on my online herbal boutique, or if you're local, you're welcome to reach out to me and I would be honored to order them and give them to you. So here are some ways that you can create some wellness baskets. So all you need is a little cute basket. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, or maybe you even have one hanging around your house. So then you're going to get some little shredded paper here, and then I'm going to show you what you can put inside. So if you know someone that needs some relaxation or likes a massage, they might like the Thai Fu lotion. So this has essential oils, it's paraben free, so it's a nice clean lotion. So you could put this into your little basket, maybe add a tea bag like for some chamomile tea, and then wrap it up with cellophane with a pretty bow, and then you have like a soothing little wellness basket. Isn't that fun? Or if someone likes to work out and they've mentioned, oh man, just after I work out, my muscles just need a little soothing, then you could do something like this. Have your Thai Fu lotion, and then also on my herbal boutique, there is a drink packet called Rejuvenate that you can drink before you go work out. It's great for endurance, so you could put a few packets of that or a whole box, or even like a protein shaker cup would be a fun little combination with the Thai Fu lotion. So a nice little workout wonder is what I like to call it. So that could be a gift basket idea. Or if you know someone that likes minty things, you could do this amazing liquid called Liquid Chlorophyll ES, which stands for extra strength. So you could put this into your little basket. And then also, if they like the scent of peppermint, you could also put a little bottle of peppermint essential oil into your little basket, and maybe like a cute tea mug, or you could just keep it at this. Wrap it in cellophane, put a little sweet card on there, and there you go. The next thing that you could do, if someone likes cinnamon and perhaps they need some support with blood sugar, you could do the Nature Sunshine Cinnamon Balance, and then maybe even a nice little cup of tea, or like a little tea bag, or maybe even a cute little cinnamon stick or two that you can put into your little basket here, and there you have a nice sweet cinnamon basket. Or if someone needs a little bit of encouragement, maybe they've had a stressful year, you could do one of my little Encourage to Flourish books that's available on my website, also on Etsy and at local stores here in Kansas City. So you could put a little book here, Encourage to Flourish. And then also on my herbal boutique, we have these little flower essence liquids. So these are taken internally and very, very gentle. This one is called Distress Remedy. So you could put this in here, and so this would be a little calming basket. So you could do something like that. It would be super sweet. You could even add an essential oil, like you could do a Refuge essential oil with the little book, and or with that Distress Remedy flower essence. That would be a really nice gift that you could do. Or if you're wanting to help someone with immune support, you could do a box or a few packets of this Solstick immune drink. That would be fantastic. And maybe you could even pair it with a roll-on or with some Essential Shield essential oil. That would be a fabulous immune support gift. Or another immune support gift idea you could call Silver Bells would be to do the Nature Sunshine Silver Shield. So you could put that into a basket either by itself, or you could put maybe like a little tea bag of echinacea tea, for immune support, or a few packets of the Solstick Immune, or you could make a little roll-on and combine that with your Silver Shield, or just the Silver Shield by itself. Either way, but this would also be supportive of the immune system. Then another thing that you could do like a wellness basics pack. So if someone, if they just want to really get back on track with their health, especially going into the new year, you could give them a few packets of Super Trio. So these come in a box that has 60 packets. So you could keep some for you, and then you could also give some in a little basket. Maybe you do either some Solstick Immune, or you could do some of the chlorophyll in there. That would be nice. Or you could do a protein shaker cup in with this, just to help them get started out on a healthy way for the new year. That could be a great one. Or another idea that we'll conclude with is you could even purchase one of the essential oil kits, the authentic essential oils kits. This comes with 10 5 milliliter essential oils that are amazing. There are 5 singles and 5 blends. So you could either give this fully as a gift, or you could break this up into 10 individual gifts or into little bundles of gifts. So say, for example, you wanted to combine the Inspire essential oil and say the peppermint essential oil into a little gift basket. That would be amazing. Or the Inspire essential oil, and maybe you could do a few of these super trio packets. You could do that. Or you could do an essential oil and my Encourage to Flourish book. That would be a cute little gift. Or this would be just a great little stocking stuffer that people could use to make, in their diffusers to make the room smell really nice. Or they could make a little roll-on out of these essential oils. So there are so many different ways that you can create these healthy gift baskets. So if you have any questions, please feel free and let me know. I will post the link below how you can access all these lovely products and you can create your own wellness baskets. So thank you all so much. God bless you. Have an amazing Christmas, and we'll see you later at Cook to Flourish.